Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by opening Settings, go to Accessibility, then Touch, and select Assistive Touch. This step targets the feature directly instead of guessing. Once there, you'll see the Assistive Touch toggle and the floating button preview. That preview confirms the feature is active. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and running a current iOS release so options match. If the triple-click side gesture is set to an accessibility shortcut, you'll need to check that next, because it can re-enable Assistive Touch unexpectedly. Now toggle Assistive Touch off. This removes the floating button immediately. Once done, make sure the accessibility shortcut, triple-click side, is not set to Assistive Touch. If it is, it will turn back on when you triple-click. Next, verify back tap settings under Touch. If back tap is assigned to Assistive Touch, change it or disable that mapping. These checks explain why the button might return, and they close the common pathways that re-enable Assistive Touch without you realizing it. Finish by exiting Settings and confirming the floating icon is gone from all screens. Swipe around to be sure. If Assistive Touch persists, restart your iPhone to clear any temporary state. Make sure to update iOS, because a bug can cause the feature to reappear. If it still returns, check Profiles and Device Management for configuration profiles that enforce accessibility options, and as a final step, reset all settings. This preserves data while reverting toggles. That troubleshooting tip usually...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.